So let's go over 5 surefire ways to optimize your Etsy dropshipping store to make sure you're seeing results, what to do if you're not seeing results, and just how to scale up, right? So as you can see here, I am going to go onto a random Etsy store and I'm going to show you good examples they're doing, what they can implement, and these 5 core strategies that you need. Right, so for this, we're just going to go on Easter decorations. Okay, so the first thing you need to focus on is research, and that is research into your products and research into your competition. Right, so what you can do is you can find a store that has got off to a good start. Right, you just want to see, when did they start? So March 2022, so they've been going for nearly a year and they've done 450 sales. So that's not too great. So let's try and dive a bit deeper. Right, let's try and find something else. So what's this here? Okay, 2,377 sales. Looks like they just sell this kind of decor, 596 reviews. Okay, they've been on the platform for a while. So the idea is you want to find a store that is doing well and they've been up for a few months. Maybe they've done 1,000 plus sales in a few months. Then you want to back engineer how have they done that. Then you want to find products like theirs and products similar to it. And of course, I recommend this extension here for Google Chrome. Right, and you can just back search their products and you can see what is causing this product to do so well. So here we have this nice little Easter door wreath. And then if we check on their sales, right, we can see, okay, this sold and we got this. Okay, so the wreath's not really selling. Right, but these are selling. What are these? Okay, these are little decorations. Okay, what we can focus on. Okay, wreath there, little decorations. Boom, boom. So now we have this. And where's the other one? And now we have this. Okay, so can I source these products? Okay, so it's not pulling up anything for that. But okay, here's a nice product. Okay, I can sell this. Good price point. 15-day delivery. Okay, so it'll be about £12 to fulfill. They're selling it for 15. Okay, so they're using a different supplier, but this one's probably better quality. It looks a lot better photos. You see, so that's what you can do. And then look, they mix it with this. They are upselling this product. So there's their upsell. So this is just such a good way to start on Etsy when you don't know what niche to go in. You just throw in all these broad searches. I like this, I like that, and find stores that are already in that niche. They're fairly new, they're getting a good amount of sales, and, just back engineer it. Find their suppliers, find their products. Okay, look, these are similar products. I can get 5 similar products up to what their main seller is. Okay, let's look at their SEO. Okay, they can improve on this area, so I'm going to improve that. And then, you want to build it up. So that goes on to the second way you want to build your store, and that is your roadmap. So your roadmap starts, the first step in your roadmap is finding that niche. This is what you should be doing before you've even created your store. Right? You should be knowing what you're going to sell, knowing what niche you're going into, knowing your audience. How can you pivot? What seasons have I got ahead of me that I can market to? How fresh is this product? How evergreen is this product? And boom. And now you can start to see. And now the second thing is, you get your store made. Right? And then when you get your store set up, it is important to get branding done. That is your banner, your logo, your location, your motto, an announcement. Get a nice personal photo in here. Okay, set up your sections and set up your policies. That is the ideal framework you want. then you want to get a review in as fast as possible. And now you want to be building up to 25 listings. Okay, that is what you need to be focusing on the start. Don't worry about views, don't worry about visits, don't worry about sales. Just worry about getting listings up. And when you've got to 25 listings, you want to be looking at each listing, right? And seeing, okay, is this getting traction? You know, so this product here listed yesterday, 96 favorites already on this product. So guess what? There is a demand for it. This product here, listed yesterday, 21 favorites. Is this the same product? You listed today, 37 favorites. Okay, that's the same one. So that is a good little tip there. You know, just scroll down on the product page and look here, right? That tells you a bit of information. You know, so then what is important after that is the psychological side to your store. That is having a sale going. That is solving customer problems in your descriptions. You know, these top bits are crucial. Your first 150 characters is where the keywords will be ranked. After that is fluff, right? This description is terrible. Okay, you know, so this is good. Boom, they talk about, you know, so when I say problem solving, I mean talking about delivery, processing times, your operations, you know, if you have any questions, where to go forth, and so on. And that just reduces customer service, that reduces inquiries. And of course, if sizing is a key factor in products, you want to include that in your photos or in your description. Okay, so optimize and the psychology side of things. You know, you want to sell emotions. You want to sell people on the emotion of them having the product, what it can do for them, how it looks, how awesome it's going to make their Easter. You know, they're going to get in a nice Easter feeling. You know, when they have that Easter party, everyone's going to be going, wow, that you know, wreath on your door is so cool. Everyone's coming to their party. You know, they've got this beautiful wreath on the door, all this decoration. Wow. It's the first thing people see when they come. That's what you sell them on. Okay, so it's psychology, right? And if you want to learn more about that, join our Discord. It's discord.gg/Etsy. And that leads me on to the final optimization technique, which is customer service. You know, again, we have this in our Discord, a whole template system that you can use, save as snippets and paste it out. But your customer service is the message you send when you get an order. It is the message you send when you fulfill. It is the update message you send, and then it is the message you send to try and get a review in. Right? Customer service is crucial. Opening a channel of communication with your customer early on is going to save you a lot of headaches down the line. It's going to mean that instead of leaving a negative feedback on your store due to, you know, some unforeseen shipping problem, they're going to use that communication device you opened to then reach out to you because they know you are there, you're going to reply, you've been keeping them in the loop. It's nothing dodgy going on, it's just an error, right? That is the best thing you want to be doing to scale up a store. Yes, it takes time, but it is going to get you 5-star reviews, which is going to build your store. You're going to get more pushed in the algorithm. Everything is just going to go. It's like a flywheel, right? Everything feeds each other, and all of these 5 points exactly should be exact, you know, parts of your flywheel, and it all works together. Okay, you know, so Etsy is so easy. It is so easy to build up a store. I mean, just take a look at this. Seasonal wreaths and decorative items, and boom, no matter what the season is, they have products for it. So that's going to be it for today. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more Etsy videos, subscribe. And of course, as always, join the Discord community. It is a great place to be. So I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you soon.